My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site Safeguide.vip. Safeguide.vip is a deceptive website which may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This website, Safeguide.vip, tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer. It actually says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. But all these pop-ups by this website are absolutely faulty and deceptive. Don't interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups actually suggest. As I said, they try to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. You should be very careful if you see these pop-ups. Carefully research the control panel of your computer and consider uninstalling any suspicious programs from this list. To make sure that your system is free of other, possibly hidden threats, I would recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help to detect and eliminate all other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.